Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing fine. So, I uploaded my last video and many of you asked me a solution to treat acne as well as their stubborn scars. So, here comes the video. Yes. In this video, I'm gonna show you an easy method which you can treat acne and their scars. So, let's get started. All you need is aloe vera gel and lemon. You can use fresh aloe vera gel if it is available at your home. First of all, take 4 teaspoons of aloe vera in a bowl. Aloe vera helps in gentle cleansing and works as an astringent that reduces the size of pores, flushing out the excess sebum, microbes and dirt. Next, take half teaspoon of lemon juice and pour it in the same bowl. Then mix it properly. Remember, the ratio should be 1 part of lemon juice to 8 parts of aloe vera gel. Now comes the application part. Apply it on your skin and spread it evenly throughout your face. You can also apply it directly on the acne scar instead of putting on your whole face. A face mask with aloe vera and lemon juice will give your face a refreshed and invigorated look as it cleans your pores and kills the bacteria that might be causing your acne. Some clinical trials have proven that the lemon juice is an effective cleanser for treating acne. Leave this mask on your skin for 10 minutes. Do it on alternate days for 2 continuous weeks. You will surely see the reduction of pimples and acne scars. Say hi to healthy, bright and acne-free skin. Apart from this DIY, I have some more suggestions that I would like to share with you people. First of all, drink a lot of water. Yes, 4 to 6 liters should be your target in order to achieve clear skin. Next, if your face wash is not helping you in treating acne problem, then it's time to change it. Additionally, do use a toner with your face wash, as toner avoids the dirt to enter to your pores, thus reducing the chances of occurrence of acne. Thanks for watching. Do like my video and drop your queries in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already done it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with the ones whom you find dealing with acne and pimple issue. Bye bye.